Hello my people, I greet the full house from untouchable man. My host una dey fine. Una do well, so una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well my people. My people, this video, I put the full video more na see am. This picture one na dey see, so this woman na for Lagos. Na dem for see this woman. People wey video am. They say na for airport for them, na dem for see this woman, and the woman come dey be like say person wey dey do something wey be like say e come dey kolo. E dey carry bag, e dey draw am, because they say na inside bus e just dey, as e just come down because na flight, because the way she take carry bag, you know say she wan take flight. Whether e dey come abroad or we no know. Na understand, because those people wey video am, dem no just know everything about the woman. So they just see say the woman dey do one kind. Na make dem come start to the video am to show people who know and make dem know say this woman e no travel, e dey Lagos o, e dey do one kind for here o. I put the video. They try to call the woman, say call dem wan talk to am. The way she take dey look themselves, the way they take dey do sef, you no fit near am, because na know say person wey e be like say e get colomento, e no be like person wey no get, so dem no understand wetin dey happen to am. So na people, na dem come video am. People wey dey there video am, make we see who know the woman, make dem for know say e dey airport for there for Lagos, e no travel again o. Maybe na person wey wan travel come abroad o, or maybe dem escort am reach, people escort am reach there. Make e go enter flight now, the something go just enter e head. Only God know. We no know anything. Na see na we see, na we still carry say make we still bring am come. Who know this person? Na your person, you know where you know anything about am. Make the person for know say see wetin dey happen for Lagos, because many people dey like that. They think say e travel, they no know say e dey e no even comot for where e wan take flight. E just dey kolo for one corner for there. Dem dey think say e dey abroad or e don comot. Only God na know wetin happen. Looking at the woman, you know say the woman dress well, no be person wey don start to dey don dey kolo before. Na something wey just start, because e carry everything. E get e bag, e carry e luggage, e draw e handbag. She look nice. She no look person wey don dey pick something for ground since. No, this one na person wey just start now, because this video just come out yesterday evening. Na me see am. Na say me I still carry am come. Maybe some people dey fit know am. Dey fit know say as this person, I know e parents or I know e brother, or I know e sister. Make dem for know, make dem for see wetin dey happen for that side, as e never throway cloth now. Only God na know wetin happen for them. We will not know. Na see na we see. Thank God say dem video am. People go still see am. This one not be video of saying about something. If you see person say they do like this, you go try to video and to show. May I put the video more and watch and bye bye.
Make people get sense. Make the person get sense. Let's say if they travel, don't tell any of your family member. But if you have to say they don't know, say they want to go. Let's say get load now, plenty now.
That's good for
now. So next time, whenever you're traveling, don't tell any of your family members. But just imagine this lady. She was actually prepared to travel. Just imagine when she gets to the airport, car park, you can see the airport car park. She became mad. She started running, became a mad woman. Baba, you no go understand. You no go understand. They do this. So how you want to help am here? Let's say don't they run stage, don't they go mad? And she will have a passport now. She will have a passport, right? So I know the waka go inside this thing. It don't make sense now. In case you know this woman, let me show you her view, her front view. Hello?
Sister, come.
Hello.
Sorry. Let me help you. Come.
Hey! No!
Mudia. Right.
We have to do this now to help them. To help her rather. Say this one, you who want Stephen no see face. Sure, if you don't do it now, you person will know if you know see him. After this one, you post it. Now so they do am. So people will know and go come here.
I've never been arrested by anybody. No security agency have served me any letter. You know, I'm still waiting. You know, so if you have anything against me, go to the appropriate authority and present your petition, and I will reply to them all. We have law that govern us in this country. Don't think you can just come to the general public. You just came because you can afford to buy cheap data. You know, like I see some idiot coming to my inbox, be sending me all sorts of useless message. Those people where they say thunder fire me, thunder fire them. Thunder fire them. Waiting safe this country. Waiting. All these rumors here and there, up and down. Look at bloggers carrying fake news everywhere. Popogre has been picked by DSS. Pick who? Which crime did I commit for DSS to come and pick me? They will serve me later. If they have anything against me, they should serve me later. I will go there. I will respond to their letter. You know. See, we have laws in this country. Well, I think at this point, let me pull my shirt and go and chill. You know, it's not all this ranting rubbish. You know, see, they should look for another rumors to come and tell you people. You know, why didn't the people that are spreading these rumors, why didn't they appear today? You know, I was waiting for them. And I want to see the person that is behind them, that strength that they have. Me, Popogre, I want to see it. You know, so I wonder why some foolish people are spreading some kind of fake rumors. You know. The most painful thing is that people that are not even up to my employee, they will come here because of their cheap data. Be making if we kill you, they go punish you. They increase. I beg man, talk to better people, Jerry. Very stupid set of people. I'm not offline now. I want to talk to my guys. You know, nonsense people. Pick who? See, you know, now papa they pick. It's not the person father now they pick. Go punish that person. Can you imagine this kind of nonsense? The kind of nonsense that Popogre was picked by DSS. As if there's no law governing us in this country anymore. You know, some people will just buy. Don't ever come to my inbox to write me nonsense. If not, you have yourself to be blamed. You know, nonsense. Somebody needs to correct all this rubbish that is going on. When this thing happened, I was not around. I was in my Asaba office. She went to my house, deceived my driver, car key, and she took my Lexus, my LX 570, that's my big Lexus. She went to go and park it in her compound, send me a message that she used Lexus to compensate herself. Can she buy that Lexus before she died? She cannot afford to buy that kind of Lexus. You know, but I'm a very patient person. I have to write to the police. I tell them to retrieve my lasers from her. If I want to do it the street way, I will, I will go there and collect my lasers. Heaven will not fall. You know, so I don't just want to take the law into my hands. If this is the last thing I will do it. You know, at least I need to stand on behalf of every other guys, because these days I'll say, oh, men don't talk, men don't talk. It is only women, you know, that'll be going out there rubbishing men's names. If a man told you I'm not dating again, must you bring the man down? You're writing petition here and there without no evidence. You know, then you think you can use the police or you can use the DSS for your hardship job because you be a woman. You know, no, she don't know me. You no go fly, my brother. This country that everybody is being governed by law. You know. Yes. Mm.